कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
30 कसल्ले वाठारात 5 मार्चाक 5 वर्सां पिरायेची चली बेपत्ता जाल्ल्याची कागाळ फोंड्या पुलिशेन नोंद केल्ली। त्या उपरांत पुलिसांनी अपहरणाचो गुन्यांव नोंद करून तपास सुरू केल्लो। या प्रकरणात पुलिसांनी खासा पंगड नेमून वेगवेगळ्या तरांनी तपास सुरू केलो। तशेंच थंय आशिल्ली CCTV कॅमेराचे फुटेज आनी हेर पुराव्यांचो तपास खोलायेन केलो तेन्ना हे भुरगे ह्या वाठारांतल्यान भायर वचूंक नाशिल्ल्याचें कळ्ळें। उपरांत चलयेच्या घरा लागसार रावपी बाबासाहेब अलाहात आनी पूजा हलात ह्या जोडप्या विशीं पुलिसांक दुबाव आयलो। त्या प्रमाण पुलिसांनी तांची सखोल चवकशी केली तेन्ना त्या जोडप्यांनी गुन्यांवाची कबुली दिली। फोंड्या सत्र न्यायालयात दोगांय आरोपींक 6 दिसांची पुलीस बंदखण फर्मायली। अंधश्रद्धा वा दिवसपणाचो प्रकार आशिल्ल्याचो पुरावो मेळूंक ना, मात त्या चलयेची आवय आनी दुबाविता मदल्या वादांतल्यान हो खून करपाचो प्रकार घडलो अशी माहिती दक्षिण गोंय पुलीस अधीक्षक टिकम सिंग वर्मा हांणी दिली।
So on 5th of March, we received a complaint of a missing girl child, and at around 10 p.m. we registered a kidnapping case because this was a case of a girl child of the age of around 4 years. So our teams were formed and they continued search till late night and again started the search in the morning. So with the help of technical and human intelligence, we narrowed down on one of the neighbors in the area, and upon proper interrogation they confessed to the crime and they showed us where they had killed the girl and they buried the girl. So yesterday on 6th, after their disclosure, we got the FSL team and also got the SDM for exhumation because they had killed a girl and then they had buried in their own house at in the back room. So we removed the body and the PME was conducted, and the PME result says that the girl was killed. She died as a result of asphyxia and some signs of immersion. So and we both of them have been arrested and they have been remanded for 6 days police custody. The girl which was killed, her mother and this accused lady had an heated argument about something. So in rage of that, she took the girl into her house, and then when the husband came inside, they both killed her.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV।